Hi guys, welcome to Fishing with Glitchy. Today, gonna be doing a little fishing hack. So, I'm using braid to make a double dropper loop. I learned this little trick on the InstaFace or the Bookgram or one of these places, I can't remember. So, basically using Q-tips. See a little Q-tip head? Is a little Q-tip tube. Trying to solve the problem of my braid wanting to tangle in on itself. So right now I'm just going to take off this little setup I made using a little floats I got off of Amazon. See the little float? Okay, so basically what it is, the Q-tip head, this Q-tip, so I'm going to add just a third bead, maybe a big one. So the bead, the loop. All right, so I'm going to put the bead through, bead number 1 that goes around the little knot, the tube from the Q-tip, I'm going to line it through here. We all know how braid likes to cooperate like a insolent child. There's the braid. There's bead number 2. The float. Bead number 3. Okay. Alright, that might be a bit much. There we go. We'll see. We'll see. There we are. Okay. The hook is on. So now that really shouldn't be doing too much in terms of tangling around each other anymore. So once again, here's the second setup. So there's still a little bit of give there. So just gonna try it out. It's gonna be my high-low rig. I have number 1 mosquito circle hooks. And the floats, bead, float, bead, stick thing. Floats are gonna help, of course, the hook float in the water so that my line doesn't tangle in on itself. That's a problem I was having last time I went fishing. So I'm gonna put the tiny bead, the oopsie, of course, like I said, this braid just loves to fall in on itself. So I'm gonna line that through there. Take that out. Oops, come on. Just a little bit more, Mr. Braid. There you go. Get that. Small bead. My float. Big bead. And my hook. There we go. So now, fix this a little. There we go. So now you got this right here. Shouldn't tangle around itself too much now while it's in the water. You got this. Comfort just below. Oh, the hook doesn't hook on itself. You got this. You got this. Barely see it, I guess. There you go. That's my rig. It's a little high-low rig I rigged up. Then this is my ultimate hack. The hair tie. I'm gonna tie this hair tie to my weight, so it attaches to my rod. Right? Thank you for fishing with Glitchy.